All my colleagues, Ria, the one who was the MC today, and all others, Stella and the other lady who sang this beautiful song. What is the other name?
Steffi.
Steffi and Stella. Very rhythmic name, both starting with S. So, and all other management students to begin with. And now I come down to Professor Mohan Raj and all other faculty members and a friend from the Zoological Survey, Professor Dr. Shiv Paraman, and all sitting here. And my own office manager, assistant Mr. Rajpal, has come all the way with me. The reason for bringing him here is that I wanted to tell people that whatever complaints you had earlier will not be there, because we have a person who is looking after in all sincerity. Therefore, whatever comes, we immediately sort it out and send it. So all of you who are present here, let me say I am delighted to be here. I am very delighted to be here. I am really delighted to be here because this is one of the very sought after courses which we have, and management. And people used to rush from here to mainland. And when you have to do this course, having settled here, to outside and to attend it anywhere else, I can understand the difficulties your parents will face, you will face. You have to shell out a lot of money, you have to face inconvenience in terms of different kind of food, different kind of atmosphere, different kind of conventions you have to face. So we started deliberating, why can't we have it here? And while this thought was on in our mind, a proposal came from Professor Mohan Raj that we have fairly good teachers here in some of the older colleges who can take on, who can mentor, who can pick up some papers here and they can teach without any need for us to hire anybody from outside. We can all sit together and manage. Once this came, then we did think of some of the older institutes like JNRM and others. Well, if somebody takes 7 classes there, and if one takes 2 classes extra in a week, I think heaven and earth are not going to fall, and you will be able to test your vocal cord at a ripe age, whether you are still good enough or not. You know, when somebody sings and you leave singing for a while, the best place to do is while you are taking bath, or when you are looking for a book or something you have misplaced, you are searching for that. That's the time people start humming, and then you realize, oh, you are a very good singer, you should have continued with this. So this is the way I told those teachers that, well, you've been doing a wonderful job. So if you take a little extra, see whether your vocal cord supports you or not, and you will find that it does. And if it does, why not make use of this? So with that, there were a good bit of consent from all over, and then we thought we can do it. 2 other things came from our colleagues in the main campus. One, they are too new, so therefore they will not be able to start. Therefore, one of our senior professors would go to Port Blair to mentor them, and he will be there for 6 months or so. 1 year. I said, no. When you come here, you will be taxing onto the generosity of the government or of the university. No requirement. They are good enough. They have been teaching commerce, management, economics, issues related to those they were doing very well in their colleges. So I said, we want to request them. Of course, I don't know if I am permitted to say, we'll make them happy in terms of what one looks forward to. Without that, we will not do it. And once your pulse becomes warmer by doing some bit of extra work, you obviously do it with all sincerity. So once that kind of a feeler was given and they all agreed. We thought, well, our Port Blair campus is very much geared to pick up this kind of a course. So we designed everything. Few of the things which are not needed there and are required here, we included. And let me tell you, the heartening feature was when we approved and sent it here. Once it was sent here, there was a very warm, good response to the course. I will put it this way, and I'm not mincing any words. I'm a very frank person. I like to put it bluntly. In my own management course there, which they have been running year after year, they could not fully complete the quota. There were vacant seats. But when we did it here, it was running no time. I said, if that is so, if that is the response, let's add more. So we added extra seats. We added more. And let me tell you, you are the first batch. First thing in life is very important. The first class you attend in your college, and I still remember very vividly what teacher conveyed and what my principal told me. And all those things, one will never forget. And the other thing you will always remember is the final one, when you pass out. Last class, last day, last party that you have, you will never forget. So yours is one of the very important classes of MBA. We are starting, yours is the first batch. So you will always remember that these were the ones. I do not know how many of you have been to defense institutes, defense establishments. If you go to any warship of a country, or for that matter any country, when you enter and you look at the wardroom is a place where people take their food. The wall will be commissioning crew. It will be who was the first commanding officer, who were the officers, who were all sailors were there in that ship, that will be there. So it goes into history. So your batch will be going into history, that this was the first batch where Pondicherry started MBA course. So I would appreciate if you take up this course in all sincerity. Nothing is difficult in life. Only thing is you have to just attend the classes with absolute focus. What I mean is when your classes are being taken by X, Y, Z, whosoever, whether you like it or not, whether you like somebody's voice or not, whether you appreciate somebody's language, style, whatever, but please listen to that with focus. I am telling you, if you do that, there is no requirement of extra studies, no requirement of anything else, you will do very well. You will come out with flying colors. I can assure you of that. All that you need to do is, as an MBA student, BA pass or mathematics or chemistry honors, one may not be doing that. As an MBA student, make two habits. One, don't forget to read the newspaper, particularly one which is related to the financial side of it. Just, if you don't have time, but look at the headlines. You know, where Doraiswamy went, what Ambani has done, what Adani has done. Read this. Make sure that you are looking at it every day. One of the papers. If you can get hold of a financial paper, all the more better. Then secondly, don't forget to listen to any of the international news for, I'm not saying for hours, 5 to 10 minutes. That's about it. Whether it is our Indian channel or our any foreign channel, BBC, CNN, whatever, listen to that religiously for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that's all, not the 11th minute. When you are doing this course and when you are following what advice I am giving, you will find you will be one of the finest in your area without putting any extra effort. And once you pass out, then with this thing that will go into your brain, this newspaper and this, you will be able to take on any of the best managers, best business experts, and he will say, yeah, here is a person who is a class above others, and you will be in. And then you will find where the limit is going to be. When I was in my final year of the college, we had at that time only medical and engineering, these two options. If you are not able to get into these, people will call you the third rate, you have no brain, you are useless. All kinds of adjectives we were hearing. And I was the one who told my dad, I am not getting into all of these. I will do whatever I want, but I stuck to chemistry. Many of my classmates were going for MBA. They appeared in many exams and they cleared. We also went in for that. I thought if they can do it, I can also do it. So we went for an interview. And I remember my first interview that I faced in Usha Martin Group. I was being interviewed during those days, our lecturers, teachers would start with 400 rupees as a basic grade. And when I went there, he says, we are going to offer you 1100 rupees, wouldn't be enough. Believe me, I had a massive jump in my chair. 1100 rupees to me, what is wrong with you? So he said, this is what I'll do during the training. Then after that, once you finish 1 year's training, we'll start with 2300. So I was about to faint. I said, but I had a different view. What I'm trying to tell you is, this is the beauty of management. If you're good, you get ample opportunities and you will become good the way I told you. Not by attending the classes, and that's about it. Just follow these two advices and you will find sky will not be the limit and you are in the right course. We are starting on a right note here, and I'm sure our MBA will not be following that beaten track which our university MBA did earlier on. I'm trying to put some fresh piece of light into those, and I'm sure they will also embark on a right course. So, I'm once again wishing you all the very best. You are the lucky ones who are joining the first batch. Everybody will not get this chance. You are one of those few. Chemistry would have started in our university 30 years back. Who was the first batch? You can imagine out of how many distinctions one would have. You are the ones. So encash on that. And I tell you, people give special attention to the first group. The staff here will also say there are first batch. You will get extra pat which others will not get. Therefore, encash on this. The moment you do this, you will be very well placed, and after that, you will never look back. You will always say, well, we took the right decision. So I wish you all the very best. You are in the best of courses, and the best of time, in best of the countries. That is what is important. India is in a stage of takeoff now. We are as good as any other country in the world. So it's on a stage of taking off, and you are embarking on that at a stage when we are taking off. You are also taking off along with that. So therefore, make best use of this. Do very well, and God will always bless you. God will be with you, and that is important in life. Let me tell you, whether somebody watches, somebody notices that whether somebody is watching us or not, this one force will always watch you. That is Almighty. Have full faith, and you will do very well. So God bless you, and I am grateful to the on the Port Blair campus that they took this opportunity to do this. We were slightly late, but I said I'm sorry, I apologize because this is not within my control. I am being driven and directed by certain of the process which I am following. So I am in the stream. In that stream we could do this. So thank you very much, and God bless you all, bless all of you, and all the best to the staff who will be taking on the process. Okay.